Here's what happens if you sneeze with your eyes open. People say your eyes can actually pop out of your head, but that's not true. When you sneeze, air explodes from your lungs through your nose and mouth, traveling over 100 miles per hour. If your eyes stay open, the pressure can make it feel like they're about to burst out. But here's the truth. Your eyes are locked in place by powerful muscles and ligaments inside your eye sockets, making it physically impossible for them to pop out from a sneeze. The reflex to close your eyes isn't protection, it's your brain bracing for impact.